am back with a massive, huge PR unboxing what's in my nail videos. So when I was in Korea for 2 weeks, I had a lot of parcels that piled up and then I've got a few more. So I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing video with you guys because I love doing these, you guys love these. Let's unbox. Okay, so I've piled up all my parcels here and I'm going to take you through all of them one by one. This one actually just came in. This is from M.A.C. I've got my tools here, guys. I don't think I'm going to need it for this one though. What do we have here? Oh, so there's a lipstick. This is the M.A.C Viva Glam Honor. Oh, World AIDS Day. So there's a t-shirt. There's a lipstick. Let's unbox it for you guys so you guys can see it. Look at the packaging. This is so pretty, guys. Like, look at that. So beautiful for the festive season. And it's a lovely shade. I really like this. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Okay, so this lipstick has actually been co-created by Bhumi with M.A.C. And they're giving 100% of the proceeds from the sales of this lipstick to organizations that support women and girls, HIV and AIDS relief efforts, and the LGBTQIA community, which is pretty amazing. So yeah, I always feel like beauty with a purpose is great because when you're buying something and you know that the proceeds are going towards a good initiative, you want to buy it more. And I think this is a great lipstick. Love the packaging, love the messaging. So thank you, guys. Then we have this from my favorite Dro Kapoor. So Dhruv has a collection on Ajio, which is pretty cool. It's a collab with Dhruv and Ajio and it launches 1st December. So by the time you guys watch this, it's going to be live. Kapoor into Ajio, you can see here. And I feel like it's going to be amazing because I love his clothes. I've been wearing his clothes for years and he's one of the coolest young Indian designers right now. So I feel like if you want to get something that's designer, and at great price points, I feel like this would be amazing. Also, like, we love like the H&M collabs, and I think this is a great initiative with Indian designers. So let's see what I got. Okay, so this is so cool. I love this. I feel like with sneakers, this would be so cute. It's like a little kaftan shirt dress kind of a vibe, and I just feel like with sneakers, this would be really, really cool. I love this. Thank you, Dhruv. Okay, the next one is very heavy. I will warn you. Oh, I don't know what it is, but it's heavy. H2O of some sort. So I guess it's some water or drink. And there's a lot of honking today, guys. So be prepared. Oh, this is the famous black water that I see on Instagram a lot. Okay, I've seen this. It's more than water. It's has minerals, essential minerals, God knows what else it has, but I've seen this and I've been very intrigued by it, saying, oh my god, it's black water. And what is this? I'm actually gonna try it because I have been waiting for a while to see. Like, I've seen it on so many people's Instagram and they're walking around with these bottles and I'm like, what are you drinking? Okay, so it's like water, like there's no taste to it, it's like normal water, but I guess it just has a lot more in it, which is good for you. So thanks, guys. I will be having a lot of this and hopefully feeling better in life, but yeah, thanks for this. Okay, this is from my favorites at Why So Blue. They actually opened their store right now in Bandra on Turner Road. Check them out. They have the most like beautiful stuff. They sent me some beautiful candles and a lovely outfit. Ooh la la, it's in my favorite colors, orange and black. So it's like a nice big skirt with a slit and it is a crop top. Can't wait to wear this, guys. Thank you. Okay, now this beauty, this is Misho into Forest Essentials. This is their festive box. It's just a really, really pretty box. And I feel like Forest Essentials always does stuff really like in a really nice, pretty manner. So it's great for gifting and stuff through the festive season. So you have some of their favorite products, and there's this little box from my favorite, Misho. Let's see what they're giving you. So there's a really pretty necklace. It's got a sun on one side, a moon on the other side. You guys know how much I love Misho jewelry, so this is going to be added to my collection. And some of my favorites from Forest Essentials, which I think this is great. So I think this is a great gift for Christmas for someone that loves beauty and fashion, because it's like a mix of like the best of both worlds. Everything is amazing. Thanks, Forest Essentials. Then we have something for Mars or Sammy. So I asked them to open a lot of these packages because at Diwali time, people send a lot of food and then I was like, it'll all go bad if I'm not here for 2 weeks. So I was like, please open things and see them. And if it's food, please eat it. So these are, I think, electric diyas, which are really cute and pretty. Oh, this is like a, I think, calming mist, which is really nice because I think with the festive season and firecrackers and all, this really works well for Marzipan because he actually is quite frantic when it comes to like firecrackers and stuff. So we have a really cute purple collar and a little festive little thing for him. This is all really cute. Thanks, guys. Okay, next up we have this from the lovely Leela Hotels. There's a little tote bag and a cute hamper that smells divine. You know, I love like these hampers that smell so good. Yeah, lots of incense and it smells really, really good. Thanks, guys. Up next, we have this from my favorite Benna Babes. So the new Benefit mascara just launched and it's supposed to be amazing. So this is gonna, like, I think take care of all my mascara needs. This is the new one, which is supposed to be really amazing. I can't wait to try this. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to review it. But it is just supposed to be very intense. I'm a big fan of Benefit mascaras. My staple one is this one, the Bad Girl Bang. I love this and I'm gonna try this one too and let you know what I think. Okay, now we have a big one. Okay, this is from my favorite peeps at Rafu'd. Ta-da! Okay, so there's a really cool like corset like top in like some really funky colors. The earlier one they had sent me, you guys have seen me wear a lot. I like the neck on this, like it's really interesting and I think this is gonna be really cool. And this is a dress. Oh my god, how pretty is this? And look at the colors on this. This is so pretty. Thanks, guys. I can't wait to wear this. And they sent me a really cute card also saying they're just thanking me for my support and I'm so glad. I love supporting local homegrown brands and I feel like we all need to do it more. So thanks for this, guys. I can't wait to wear this. This is Amazon, so this is obviously something I have ordered. I order so much stuff from Amazon that I always forget what's there because even when my parents want stuff, I'm just like ordering stuff. Is this there? Oh! This is the viral like wax stick. Okay, now I don't know if you guys have seen videos of this. I know TG had one of these. But there's also this one which was really cheap and I saw it on Amazon and I thought, okay, I want to try this and see how it works. And, you know, I'm going to do like maybe a reel or one of those of is it worth it or does it work? Let me know if you've tried this, but that's what I ordered this for. Okay, then we have something from SJ Collection. I feel like they sent me something in the past as well that I really like. What was it? I think it was my toilet kit. Yes, my travel toilet kit. Ooh, we have something else. Oh, this is going to be great. Okay, so this is perfect, I think, for like my hair stuff and my Dyson and all of that. It's actually nice and really big. Like, you look at that. I think this is for your Dyson. Like, it has all the holders for the different spots. So when you're traveling, how cool is that? I love this and I love the finish on their stuff. Like, honestly, their products are such great quality. Like my, you know, the plastic and leather one that I use, the orange one, you guys have seen it in tons of videos. And I take it on every trip and I feel like this is also going to be used a lot. Thank you, guys. Okay, next we have something from Organic Harvest, which is, I think, what, organic makeup. Oh, this is interesting. It's something I'm not very picky about. Are you guys like particular about like your products, like skincare, makeup? Do you like want it to be organic? Like when you're doing stuff, let me know what you think. But they have some interesting products. There's kohl, there's lipsticks, there's, I think this is eyeliner. Pretty impressive. Thanks, guys. I can't wait to try these. Something from Love Earth. Very pretty like packaging. What do we have in here? Oh, wow. Okay, so we have a lot of products. So, can't wait to try these. Thank you, guys. This is like a little Diwali hamper. I think with some of their best sellers. I've seen a lot of their stuff and people saying amazing things about it. So can't wait to try this. Thank you. Okay, now this one is already open and I know what this is because I had a long chat with this lovely girl. This is the Heena Agrima from Jaipur, and I saw that she does these beautiful shirts online, and I followed her and she said she's been watching my videos, and it's just such a beautiful organza shirt. Like, I can't wait to wear this. Like, look at how amazing this is. Another local brand that you should support. Okay, then we have a very interesting wooden box. Where is this from? Now this I really appreciate whoever sent me this, because you know you can reuse this box. It's a beautiful box and it's a great way to send a gift or a PR package because you get like use out of the whole thing. Oh, this is QuirkSmith, one of my favorite silver brands you guys have seen. Oh, this is a watch charm. How cute is this? So you can actually put this through your watch straps. Like when you have the rubberized strap or whatever, you can just put it into your, Apple Watch strap, and it's really cool. This one says Faith. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate this. And this, as I said, this is a great thing, and it's probably going to go onto my dressing table to keep some of my jewelry. And then we have something from Kiro. I love their makeup. You guys have seen me talk about their makeup in a lot of stuff. There's some oil. Their lipsticks are fab, and we have some kajal. I like the wand. It's like a nice, big, juicy looking wand. So yeah, can't wait to try these. Thank you, guys. So guys, those were all the parcels that I had to open today. Thank you to everybody that sent me stuff. I really appreciate it. And comment below and tell me if you guys want me to try and review any of the stuff that I got today. I can like do reviews or like mini reviews, maybe like for shorts and stuff like that. Let me know in the comments. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And as I said, comment below and let me know if there's anything you want me to review from today's video or what your favorite parcel was from today's video. I can't pick a favorite, but you guys can. See you guys. Bye.